Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil and a highlighter. Please take out your materials now. We are working with R blends. Remember, an R blend is when two consonants are side by side and one of the consonants is the letter R. Our first word is prop. P-R-O-P. Prop. With your pencil, please write prop. P-R-O-P. Prop. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend. P-R. Purr. Our next word is brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. With your pencil, please write brim. B-R-I-M. Brim. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend. Is my R blend. My next word is trim. T-R-I-M. Trim. With your pencil, write trim. T-R-I-M. Trim. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend. TR is my R blend. Tur. My next word is crib. K-R-I-B. Crib. With your pencil, write crib. K-R-I-B. Crib. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend in crib. CR is my R blend. Then I have the word fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. Fret means to worry. Please write fret. F-R-E-T. Fret. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend in fret. FR is my R blend in fret. My next word is grub. G-R-U-B. Grub. With your pencil, please write grub. G-R-U-B. Grub. With your highlighter, highlight the R blend in grub. Two consonants side by side, and one of them is the letter R. The next word is bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. With your pencil, please write bread. B-R-E-D. Bread. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend. Next word is trip. T-R-I-P. Trip. With your pencil, write trip. T-R-I-P. Trip. With your highlighter, please highlight the R blend. Tur. My next word is drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Please write drop. D-R-O-P. drop. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Drr. Last word, crop. K-r-op. Crop. Please write crop. K-r-o-p. Crop. With your highlighter, please highlight the initial R blend. Way to go, boys and girls. Turn your paper over. Okay, my friends, this side we are going to be sorting our blends. So you will need 3 different colored crayons. Please take them out now. I'm going to use red for BR, burr, blue for GR, grr, and green for TR, tur. Our first word is grade, g-r-aid, grade. I can see that grade has a GR blend. So I'm going to color the blend blue for GR. You do not need to color the entire box. That will take too long. Our next word is break. B-r-ache. Break. I can see that break has a BR blend. So I'm going to color the BR blend red. Then we have the word trap. T-r-ap. Trap. I see the initial TR blend at the beginning, so I'm going to color it green. Then I have bribe. B-r-ibe. Bribe. I can see that bribe has the BR blend, so I'm going to color brr red. Next word is bride. B-r-ide. Bride. Bride has the BR initial blend, so I'm going to color it red. Next word, grape. G-r-ape. Grape. Grape has a GR initial blend, so I'm going to color it blue. My next word is trade. T-r-ade. Trade. I can see that trade has a TR initial blend, so I'm going to color it green. Our next word is grove. G-r-ove. Grove. Grove has a GR initial blend, so I'm going to color it blue. Next word is trim. T-r-i-m. Trim. Trim has a TR initial blend, so I'm going to color it green. Next line, we have graze. G-r-aze. Graze. Graze has a GR initial blend, so I'm going to color it blue. Next word, trace. T-r-ace. Trace. With trace, I see TR, and I know TR is green. Tur. Then I have broke. B-r-oak. Broke. Broke has a BR initial blend, and that is red. Then I have brave. B-r-ave. Brave. Brave has a BR, so I color it red. Tribe. T-r-ibe. Tribe. I can see that tribe has a TR blend, so I'm going to color it green. Last word is grime. G-r-ime. Grime. Grime has a GR initial blend, so I'm going to color it blue. All right, our last step says write the words in the proper boxes. So you can see I have a BR column. So any word with a BR blend, I will put in this column. I have a GR column. Any word with a GR blend, I'll put in the middle column. And then I have a TR blend, and any word with TR I will put in the final column. So with that first word, grade, I can see that it is blue. So I'm going to write it under the blue column. G-R-A-D, grade. And I'm going to cross it off when I'm done. Next word is break. I can see that I already sorted it with a red for BR. So I'm going to write it down here under the BR column. B-R-A-K, break. Then we have trap. You can see I already highlighted my blend, TR, green. So I'm going to write it underneath the green TR column. T-R-A-P, trap. And cross it off when I'm done. Then I have bribe, B-R, B-R-I-B, bribe. Cross it off when you're done. Then last one we're doing together, I see the BR in bride. So I'm going to put it under the BR column. B-R-I-D, bride. And cross it off when you're done. Boys and girls, you will continue to sort the rest of the words. Pay attention to the blend at the beginning and the color to put it in the correct column. You're going to do great. Good luck.